Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing your Facebook profile picture. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will be showing you how to do this on the Facebook app, but it will be the same settings on desktop too. Open up the Facebook app and tap on the user icon at the bottom of the homepage to get to your profile page. If you are on Android, then the user icon will be at the top of the page. On your profile page, tap on your current profile picture. Then tap View Profile Picture from the menu that appears. In the top right corner of the picture, tap on the three dots button and select Delete Photo from the menu. Tap Delete on the pop-up. Your profile photo will now be deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.